Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the if statement. The if statement in SQL, let me just, if statement in a SQL, it returns for me the result based on a condition. It's working just like the case statement. I'm going to show you guys an example how this if statement work. So I have this table called store. Okay. What I want to say I want to go to this quantity. I will say if like quan if a quantity more than um, let's say is 300 comma, which mean then see my expression says expression. So it's a then no need no need no more items, no more items. Else, like here, else need more items, need more items. All right, and close it. And let's say this is us. Um, items needs. So this is where my column will be. And see here it says like these three, they are less than 300, so need more items. And those they are I have enough in stock, so they are more than 100, so no more items. This is the if statement, how it works in SQL. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and thank you for watching.